The problem that a lot of people have in this industry, right? The problem that a lot of you guys are facing is you think that you know what clients want. When you stop thinking that, you'll have more success. When you stop thinking you know because you got a camera, they want the X, Y, and Z. The problem is you don't know. You really don't know. You've never been in their shoes. You've never been in that position. You have no idea. Here, let's do this one. There you go. You have no idea as to what they're looking for because you've never been in their shoes. You can only assume. And I promise you, a majority of the time, you're incorrect. You may have one of the things they need, but you won't know everything they need until you build that relationship with them.